Where's ate? Good morning si ate. Ayaw pang kumain. She's lazy in the morning because it's cold. It's cold, isn't it?
I got it day.
It's not your school day. It's ate day.
No, I got it day.
You want to go to school? Good morning. We're already out here in the city. Walking.
No, I want the airplane.
Oh, we're gonna see airplane now. So yeah, na-drop na namin si Harley, guys. It's only 9:30 pa lang.
Mommy.
Doon kami nag-park sa gym ni daddy niya. You wanna see airplane? Okay. Sabi niya kanina, seaplanes daw. Kasi pinapanood niya nga si Blippi. And there's no seaplanes here, baby. There's no seaplanes. Ina-acid ako. So yun nga. So we're just walking along. Here's the river because mamayang 1 p.m. I'm gonna take my Australian citizenship test. What's seaplanes? Ganito kami sa city, guys. Nag-park kami sa gym ni Ben. Just gonna walk around till it's time to go sa office. Mamaya dyan lang city eh. Pero baka mag-park din kami doon malapit. But anyway. So ayun. Kaya may headphones ako kasi I'm listening to the reviewer dun sa kanilang Australian Common Bond. So kung nakatest na kayo or magte-test pa lang din kayo ng citizenship test, yun yung reviewer, guys. So merong podcast na pwedeng pakinggan lang, or kung gusto mong nagbabasa, yeah, you can print it out too, or you can read it sa inyong tablet or phone. So, and then meron din silang practice test doon. Nung una, kala ko yun na yun, like, pero hindi, random questions talaga. Kailangan mo talagang basahin or pakinggan yung kanilang common bond. So, there's 5 parts. I think 4 or 5 parts. Pero yung pinaka-importante, I think, is the Australian values. So, kailangan mo ma-correct ng maka-5 tama sa Australian values nila. So, yeah, I'm just reviewing. Kung kailan pa ako ina-acid, no? Copy pa more. But yeah, anyway. Ang ganda ng weather today. But yeah, we'll see kung makapasa tayo. Do you think I'm gonna pass, babe?
Oh, easily. 100%.
Kasi yun sa driving test ko, I failed the first seat ng test dun. Pero second seat, napasa ko naman na siya. So, but anyway, so kapag napasa mo yata yung Australian citizenship test, hindi ka pa automatic na Australian until you do the oath taking. So, dahil uuwi nga kami sa Philippines, pag makapasa nga ako, i-revoke ko na lang yung oath taking kung kailan nila ibigay yung date. I-move ko na lang ng July. Pag nakabalik na kami. And then, once na mag-oath taking na ako, of course, I'm gonna be applying straight away for my dual citizenship. Kasi nga, kailangan ko ng dual. So si Harley, dual citizen na siya. But Riker's not yet. Hindi ko pa na-apply yan ng Philippines. Ang dali nag-walking siya. Thursday kasi today, so wala siyang pasok nga. Ang dami nag-rowing, oh. Ganda ng weather. It's really nice walking track here to, no? Yeah, kasi most ng walking ko is ginagawa ko sa beach kasi doon kayo malapit. So, minsan nga, gawin ko rin dito sa city, oh, kasi ang ganda-ganda ng view. So, sabi naman nila sa, he's tired.
It's so much.
Kasi haba na nilakad namin, guys. But yeah, based naman sa experience ng mga kaibigan ko na nag-test na, 1 hour yung ibibigay sa'yo, or 45 minutes yung test to sit. Pero they only took 5 minutes para matapos yung test. Ganun lang kadali. Kasi 20 questions lang pala siya, random questions. And multiple choices naman siya.
Don't rush the question.
Yeah. So yun na dun sa website nila actually, dun sa Home Affairs, is palaging ganun lang yung question. So, hindi katulad ng pag nag-test ka dito sa driving test, yung practice test nila is nag-iiba-iba. Like kapag nagre-retake ka ulit. Pero yun dun sa practice test ng citizenship is pareho lang siya every time. So, na-memorize mo na. Yeah, I wanna go down. So yeah, kailangan mo talaga pakinggan yung common bond kasi nakaset na yun dun sa practice test nila na ganun lang palagi yung questions. So, pero syempre, tatandaan mo rin yun kasi malay mo nandun din yun sa iti-test nyo, di ba? So, iti-test natin. So, yeah, kagabi, habang nililinis ako ng bahay, nakikinig na lang ako sa podcast. Dito na kami sa Random Mall, guys. Mag-lunch. Early lunch kami. Riker. Yeah, we're gonna eat now. Yum, yum. Guys, brunch na tayo. Nag-order akong French toast kasi hati kami ni Riker. And then yung kay Ben, yan yung favorite ko dito eh. Sarap-sarap ng slider nila dito. Meron chicken and babe, pero babe yung kinuha niya. Masarap din ng chips nila. Kain tayo. Tingnan nyo guys, nag-play na music ng armies. Okay guys, pabalik na kami ng car, pero tila kadao. So may pa-igloo sila dyan. Kasi winter na nga. Si Riker pala tulog. So ayun nga. We passed the test guys. 90%. I got 90%. I think kailangan mo lang talaga matama yung 5 questions about Australian values. Kasi yung katabi ko, actually bumagsak siya twice. Kasi namali niya ng isa yung Australian values. Yun yung narinig ko sa nagbabantay. And ang bait na nagbabantay kasi pinapause mo na siya nung bumagsak na siya na pangalawang beses. Pinabasa sa kanya yung booklet ulit ng Australian values nga. So, hi guys, we picked up ate na. Hi ate! And then dumaan lang kami sa bahay saglit kasi kumuha ko ng PJs. And doon na lang sila mag-ready kay lola nila. So we're gonna go to grandma, aren't we? We're gonna go to grandma and celebrate mommy's citizenship test. Hindi lang, feel lang namin nung kumain. So mag-take out na lang kami. Maybe I'll take out some Nando's. I like Nando's. Huh? Kasi dadaan kami ng TJ Plaza. Kasi nandun yung contact lens ni Ben. So we have to pick that up. And then mag-take out nila nga sana kami ng fried rice. So naisip ko ang Nando's guys. So we're gonna do that one. And Riker's awake. I think. Hey! Hello! Wakey! Did you told ate mommy passed the test? Yay! Mommy's gonna get Australian passport. Shana all. Ate, hey? Cause yeah, it's good then cause nasabi ko na dun sa nag-interview sa akin na we're planning to go to the Philippines in July and September naman is Japan, guys. So yeah, we're going to Japan. Hindi pa naman namin na-book pero for sure na talaga yun kasi nga na dun si Ben for work and magtatag-along kami. So that's good. Hopefully mayroon na akong Australian passport nun so at least hindi na ako kailangan mag-apply for Japan visa. So hopefully we'll see. But yan nga ang ating future travel for this year is Philippines and Japan. The kids gonna love Japan because of Tokyo Disneyland and I wanna go to Kyoto and Osaka. We'll see kung mapuntahan natin yung 3 cities. Okay guys, we're here na sa bahay ni lola nila. Nag-bath time na sila. Dito na sila nag-bath kay grandma. No? Pinahiram ko muna yung iPad ni lola niya. Oh. Mag-dinner na kami guys. So what did you buy?
I'll put the blonde stand in, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll do that. You just
We got some rice.
We
Yeah,
bought
he
some extra for you.
Oh no,
Yes.
Oh, what did you buy?
I can't eat anymore.
You have to.
You
Where's my
Ito
baby?
yung aming dinner.
Welcome.
Rice. Guys, yan yung dinner namin. Favorite namin to.
Rice.
Malapit lang kay mother. Lalakad lang niya. Eh, actually, sa likod lang siya ng shop.
Would you like some juice?
Teriyaki fried rice.
Good value.
You got 2, yeah?
Yes, Mom.
And we'll have some wine. Kain na tayo, guys.
Jockey's got it. Well, then everyone else can have a chance.
Ayan si Riker. Gusto niya mabibig. Si Riker na lang. Si Riker mo taga
Yes, that was everything then.
Yeah, I think they're little people.
Yeah.
Unless they're getting.
I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely. I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us,
Yes,
I can see
I
the person I know I should be.
Oh, you watching good thing?
Yeah, Josh Giddy, who knows? Who
Oh,
knows?
that's right.
They're trading.
iPad ni Lola
He's such a he got more triple doubles than anyone.
He's not gonna be the next player though.
sa kanya. Ni Lola niya.
No, he's not the best player, but he's got to be in the top.
Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Actually, may magkapagas lang kami and then may dadaanan lang kami. Yeah, and then uwi na yan. But yeah, Harley's probably gonna fall asleep. And guys, nandito kami sa mall. Late night shopping kasi today. So, lakad-lakad muna kami dito and we'll go to Big W na. So we go to Big W. Big W tayo, guys. Ano na naman mabibili natin dito? What are we looking here, babe? I don't know. Just window shopping, guys.
I'm on shopping.
What?
I'm shopping.
Shopping. Sabi ni Raika. Shopping. What are you doing here, Raika?
I'm shopping.
Oh, shopping ka, no?
Oh, what to go chocolates?
Chocolates. Oh my God. Narinig niyo ba yun, guys? What's that?
What's that?
What are you shopping here, Raika?
Mommy, McQueen.
Huh?
I got that.
McQueen. Oh my God, McQueen daw. Hello, Daddy. Look, he found a McQueen book. Oh, Daddy will buy that for you. Daddy, look. He found a McQueen book. You give it to Daddy.
I'll read them to him at night.
That's cute too, because that's the little tiny books.
okay.
Okay, put it in the pram. Rika, go put it in the pram.
Uncle.
Because you can't carry that on.
That is great.
I know.
Really found that?
He's like, oh, Mommy, McQueen.
Daddy.
Naka. Kami na talaga ang nag-shopping for tonight. What else are we gonna buy here? Huh? What? What else you gonna buy, Rika?
Oh, gosh.
Not here on the toys, babe. Ay, si Daddy na talaga. I was trying to look for a violin, but there's no violin. She already have a guitar before, remember?
Mommy, heavy.
It's so heavy. Can you put it back then? It's so heavy, baby.
You get her this?
No. Oh, put it back. It's heavy, man.
Think she'd use it?
A six.
What? Oh my God. What do you already got your McQueen book though? Yeah.
I still want that cup.
Huh?
Oh, wow. Look.
What is that?
Shopper.
Don't get the whole box. Oh, Oh, I think that's sushi. Oh, mommy loves sushi. You're gonna go to Japan. What's that? What's inside? What's
Oh, look.
Tara, sige. Sundan natin yung puyo mo. Yung dalawa mong puyo. So many what? So many toys. It's a train. You don't really like Thomas the Train? Oh, God.
He knows what he wants.
I know.
He's a good shopper. Better shopper than I am.
I know. What is that? Look at what Ate got. Ate got the best one, isn't it? The chocolates of Daddy. Hinahanap yung Daddy niya. Where are you, Daddy? Where are you? Ayan, guys. Yan lang nabili namin. Yung chocolate and yung book niya. Dala-dala niya. Ayan, oh. Gusto niya talagang buhatin, eh. Pauwi na tayo. Ano oras na ba? It's already 7:41. Bahay na kami, guys. Malaglag, ate. Hindi pa, itago natin itong chocolate ni Daddy. Hindi ko nasabi. Dami naman the I like, no? The Snickers or Toblerone. Huh?
It's all dark.
It's all dark. I mean, cherry ripe and nakatira pa ako. What are you doing, ate? May nabili pala akong hikaw kanina sa Lobisa. Ayan. Mga hoops lang.